Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Moreen Ndikwani. I am here back to present to you how to Google Form. Now, Google Form is not something very difficult that everyone shouldn't start doing it. It's very easy, and if you want to learn more, stay tuned and follow. Now, the first thing you do, you go to your document. Search for a document on Google Apps. You can even use your email if you have one, but I'm going to use this app. We double click on it. It is still reading. Here it is. It's showing. Then you click on the apps because here you're searching for Google Form. From here, now you look for Google Form where it is. Then you double click on that. It will bring for you different templates, and you choose the one you want to use. Like here, I would want to use this, the blank form. Click on that. So you see where it is written Untitled Form, you can make your changes, and then you type there what you want to share, maybe about, because Google Form is all about sharing. Please, like maybe if you want to share quizzes, like if you want to make surveys, you can do anything you want with it. So here I want to talk about the dangers. I'm going to talk about maybe say celebration. 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 So that is what I'll talk about in the first form of this. Okay, so that is my title. My title will be Celebration. How do I describe this? Come down, describe your form. You can describe your form maybe by saying just party farewell. Maybe we shall say farewell. Shall say farewell. Farewell. Farewell for. Farewell for. Farewell for. Farewell. Farewell. Farewell for young. For young girls. Farewell for young girls. Farewell for young girls. Leave you. Farewell for young girls. Leave you. It should be this. This for young girls. Leave. Farewell for young girls. Here with the young girls living a fair with young girls living school. Then after that, so you are going to do what? You are going to now type in the question you want. You can even click in this. You will add question. You click there on the type of question you want. Maybe like this one. You will type the question you want. Like let me say, you can even ask. You can say how should how should how should how should young how should young girls how should young girls how should young girls how should young girls take care of themselves? How should young girls take care of themselves? How should young girls take care of themselves? So that is, if you want it to be multiple, you want the question to be multiple, you can go there and you select multiple type questions. So if you want it to have an image, you can click on that and then you will insert, you go to Google image and then under that look for Google images, then you select the kind of images you want. So as I said, you want Google images, yes, you come here, select that and then click on that. It's showing the kind of images you want. Like for example, mine is this one. Click on that. Then you insert it there. Insert, you can see those are the images created. You give it a title. Yeah, let me just remove this. Yes, we want to write this. You will say young girls. Young girls. Young girls. Space. Okay, fine. Just write that young girls. Having fun. Young girls having having fun. Okay, having given it a title, then you move. You see? So if you want maybe to duplicate your question, you come here with that, but that is not my interest. If you want maybe to use it, add a video on that, on a YouTube video, you can also add. If you want to add section, you can do the same. If you want to delete, you can do the same. So if you want to add another question, you can still type the question you want here. And then you can type your question. Maybe you can ask how old are they? Maybe what is their age bracket? Let's say maybe what's the young the age bracket. Then you would type your bracket. What's their age bracket? C K and T. Well, like that. If you want it in multiplications, then if you want to add, if you want it to be multiple, you click there. Until that you want to add another option, you can still add the same like that, until when, if you want, maybe you also have this to duplicate the question. If you want to remove, if you want those ones not to be seen, maybe here you can say not required. If you want it to be published, you can say that. And then after that, you can go ahead and publish your Google Chrome. So you come here and then you publish it. I see. Then you can maybe type here. So your email. Then you write there the email address like that. Can write maybe this. Then you copy. Yeah, it's already what? Publish. Then you come here. Maybe if you want this, accept your responses, you can see here. Respondents, this one you can manage, and then you can what? When you save. So this is how you can make your Google form. You can send it to as many friends as you can, and please stay tuned and continue watching this channel because I have a lot of information to share with you. Don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube. Till then we meet. Bye bye.